Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Bjorn and this is my 1998 Civic Coupe. So today I'm gonna be working on the engine bay, well today and a few other days. I'm gonna be painting the engine bay finally. It's been cold in Belgium the last couple of weeks, so from now on it's gonna be well plus 10, plus 15 degrees, so that's perfect. I'm not gonna shave it totally, I'm not gonna clean all the holes, I'm not gonna fill it, I'm not gonna weld it. That's for when I do an engine swap, well, another engine swap. What I am gonna do is, all this is flat paint without any clear coat. So I'm just gonna use some Scotch Brite and sand everything down, clean it very well, tape off everything that I need to tape off, and then I'm gonna spray it in a new color. I did use Moonrock Grey Metallic color before because my car is painted that color, but I'm gonna change it up, do something new for this season, and yeah, I hope it works out well. So I'm gonna take you guys with me, and yeah, let's start sanding. That's the best part, isn't it? So I use a combination of Scotch Brite sanding discs for my sanding machine, as well as some leftover pieces of Scotch Brite to do some sanding by hand as well. So I got everything degreased for the first time. It's looking good. The engine bay is looking good. So what I'm gonna do now is just gonna build like a spray booth around the front of the coupe. So when I spray the engine bay, that it's dust free. Well, at least I hope so. And then I think tomorrow or maybe during the week I can spray the engine bay in the new color. Not bad for a do-it-yourself paint booth, isn't it? So I'm gonna let the dust settle. I'm gonna leave it like this for today, come back another day, and then I can degrease everything again, mask off the things that I don't want to get painted, and then we can start to paint. So see you tomorrow.
Day 2.
So we're back in the shop. It's been some time since I picked up the camera. I already primed the engine bay, but I didn't take you guys with me because I forgot the camera at home, and I didn't want to go home after work to go and get the camera, to come over to the shop and then prime the engine bay because I was going to lose some time. I didn't want to lose time, so what I did was I primed the engine bay. Anyway, what I need to do now is I'm going to wet sand the engine bay with some 500 grit. Wet, of course. I'm not going to bore you guys with that because, well, I'm not a body shop guy. There's loads of videos on YouTube that will explain you what to do. Anyway, I'm gonna perform some YouTube magic, and I will see you guys in a couple of seconds. So, primed engine bay and wet sanded engine bay. So Everything is wet sanded, everything is degreased. I'm currently heating up this part here, heating up the metal as well. I'm gonna paint the engine bay with these cans, so it's 2K. It's base coat and clear coat in one, which makes it easier for me. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait to heat it up a little bit more here. Shake my cans for 2 minutes. Push the red button into here. Shake it again for 2 minutes, and then I will do a test spot, and then I'll start to paint the engine bay. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. I can't wait to see the end result. Let's go.
Day 3.
So that's it for this episode, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I did take all the masking tape off, and I already painted the underneath in black. So yeah, the engine bay is finished. I'm really happy with it. It looks really good. I hope you like it as well. So yeah, as usual, don't forget to like, subscribe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And see you next time. Bye.